And I know it's me that followed you in blind.
Torp Tower, good morning, pilot 943 Sierra.
Pilot 943 Sierra, Torp, good morning, go ahead.
Parked outside, pilot, hangar with information, November, QNH 1005. Intention is VFR flight according to flight plan, pilot 943 Sierra.
Pilot 943 Sierra, leave control zone via Bommestad 2000 feet or below and squawk 5146.
After departure, leave control zone via Bommestad 2000 feet or below, squawk 5146, pilot 943 Sierra.
Pilot 943 Sierra, correct. Taxi run up area, QNH 1005, report red.
Taxi to run video, QNH 1005, and we'll call pilot 943 Sierra.
1005, Delta ready, Bravo.
05 Delta, line up runway 18 via Bravo.
4.
Line up runway 18 via Bravo, vidare 05 Delta.
Walking 5146. 5146 is set now. Wind is coming from 260, correction. And to taxi. Taxi lights on. Parking brake is released. Right side clear, left side clear.
Good takeoff runway 18, frequency, vidare 05 Delta.
Is how I was
Pilot 722 Victor at 3000 feet, fly heading 270.
my heart. Skip beats, thinking about you. Whoa. I could say that you didn't need what you wanted me. Maybe I was wrong, even want wasn't anything.
Okay, and parking brake is locked. Annunciations is checked. Pitot heat is off. Engine instruments checked. The circuit breakers are checked and in. Checked and in. And flaps up. Flaps up. Trim set for takeoff. Fuel valve normal. And power lever idle. Right side clear. Left side clear. Starting the engine. We go. ECU test completed. Switch Alpha, Auto, Bravo, and back to Auto. For the switch checked. My off block today is 0755.
I could say that you didn't need any more of me. Yeah, maybe it's not me, you should be the one.
Pilot 943 Sierra, run up completed and ready for departure.
We had another chance. I would never let you steal my.
Pilot 943 Sierra, taxi holding point Golf.
Taxi 20 point Golf, pilot 943 Sierra.
We had another chance. I would never let you steal my glance. Bring me back to life. If we had another chance, I would never.
Pilot 943 Sierra, you can taxi Whiskey 3 southbound, holding point Whiskey 2.
Whiskey 3 southbound, holding point Whiskey 2, pilot 943 Sierra.
Pilot 943 Sierra, enter backtrack line up runway 18.
Enter a backtrack line up runway 18, pilot 943 Sierra.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to.
918 is in this direction. So cleared line up. Okay, strobe lights on, fuel pumps on, backrest upright position, canopy, and windows are locked. Line up checklist completed to the line. Okay, right side clear.
Sierra, runway 18, clear takeoff, right turn up, 230 degrees, 7 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 18 and right turn up, pilot 9430.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army. If you go to war, then I'm going with you.
Here we go, 1,000 feet, passing 1,000 and 92% power is set and fuel pumps off. Climb checklist completed.
The chaos is rising, leading the charge. I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
And there we go, approaching 2,000 feet. And autopilot is engaged now. So now I can actually relax a little.
We can run away, castle in the sky. Won't you take me home and give me wings to fly? We can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind. Please just take me home to a castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Castle in the sky. Won't you take me
Pilot 964 Bravo, your number 2. Number 1 is a -8 inbound on a visual approach. Currently at your 10 o'clock position, 14 miles, descending out of 6,000 feet.
Number 2, pilot 964 Bravo.
Won't you take me home?
Pilot 964 Bravo, Vidra in sight. Would you like me to keep orbiting here?
Negative. He's faster than you. You can follow him to final runway 21. Space up accordingly and also caution wake turbulence.
Roger that, following him to final and caution wake turbulence, pilot 964 Bravo. Pilot 964 Bravo, overhead Höbro.
Pilot 964 Bravo, roger. Pilot 964 Bravo, continue to final runway 21.
Continue to final runway 21, pilot 964 Bravo.
Feet, continue climb plateau 150.
Continue climb plateau 150, Canadian 216.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.